So far, everything is good. No one is positive. We are lucky enough as well as our public cooperation and officials' hard work. But now risk is very very high. Surrounding is spreading virus like anything. So I am requesting to public, please be at home, be safe, don't come out unnecessarily. Since last 3 months I am requesting same thing. You were following. Now also this is the critical time you have to follow. Now today we have taken decision that again we will issue pass system like earlier we did. So pass to be issued to all are working and they are having necessary work, either government officials or private officials or persons going for livelihood, farmers, aquaculture, whatever they are. But it should be must, not unnecessarily visiting here and there. So pass to be issued. Based on the pass, entry and exit at the checkpost will be permitted. So now we planned that STPP college tomorrow onwards 10 to 1 pass will be issued. So time please note 10 to 1 morning, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 3 days pass to be issued to all those are having requirement. Please go there and collect your pass. Your pass will be issued based on your identity card, whatever there. Either you are government employee or private employee or farmer or aquaculture, you go with some proof and one passport size photo. So your pass will be generated, and take some ID, either voter ID or Aadhaar card, whatever ID. One ID you take with proof and one photo. So you will get the pass. Based on that only, Monday onwards, without pass, no one will be allowed to enter in the Yanam or exit. Like this only we can control the unnecessary movement of the public. As well as so many persons of Andhra depends on Yanam, especially banking, health issue. So health issue is the health emergency will be permitted, no doubt. But banking issue, we are going to the fixed day. I discussed with senior officials also, they also agreed. We will fix one day for banking purpose. So those are Andhra persons want to come bank, one day will be fixed, that will be informed. Either Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever day. That day only permitted. Remaining day not permitted name of the bank. So weekly once you can visit bank if you are having work. Otherwise you can approach ATM or other branch of the bank, those are available nearby you. So please cooperate with us and try to get your pass tomorrow onwards, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 19, 20, 21 June at the campus of STPP. Our teams will be available with 4 counter. So you can go with paper and collect the pass. Other than this, I am requesting again, now situation is very very tough. Please take care. Compulsory use the mask. Sanitize your hand regularly or wash your hand regularly. Maintain social distancing. Follow protocol properly if you want to be safe. Because you are safe, your family is safe, definitely is very very important for you, your personal locations. So please, I am again requesting, don't be careless. Now situation is very very tough. Next 3 months very critical for country as well as everyone. So my personal request to all Yanamite, please support us, and this is good for everyone. If Yanam is free from corona, free from virus, it's good for everyone. So everybody's cooperation is very important, and any information, any things they are having, please inform our officials regarding the pasus are coming, entering through some other way, or someone is hiding some information. Please inform our control room or officials immediately, so that we can take action accordingly. So Monday onwards, please be careful. Without pass, we will not allow anybody. So next 3 days, please collect your pass. Thank you.